Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to share the videos to family and friends. Our discussion for today is why men love sex. You see, most women ask the question, why is it that men love sex so much? And they complain that it seems men they want it every day. What is the problem with men? That they do that. In fact, we need to look at the composition of men in terms of science. That will help us to know why men love sex. Number one, we need to know that the male produce semen stored in his seminal vesicles. So, for a man, semen is produced. That's the first thing to note. Now, after this production, the semen is stored up, and this store up occurs in 2 to 3 days. So the semen is stored in the seminal vesicles for 3 days. Now, if it exceeds the 3 days or more, getting to 1 week, you see that the storage facility becomes overburdened. And when this overburden occurs, then the semen will be triggered to come out. So overburden of semen triggers the urge for a release, hence sex. So understanding this about men with their composition, then you will understand why men love sex. There are some married men, they want to have it as often as each day, 2 days, 3 days. And sometimes the women complain. This is the secret about why men love. So, a married woman that is listening or watching me, friends, as married couples, we must be always ready to give our partners sex. If you are sick, that's different, fine. But if you are not sick and you're healthy, don't be complaining that my husband wants sex or that or that. It is your conjugal responsibility to give your husband sex. Now that you have these facts, it will help you to handle your sexual life. God be with you. Have a good day. Shalom.